Welcome to our channel. Today we are exposing foods you should never eat raw. Let's dive in. Potatoes. Consuming raw potatoes is discouraged due to the presence of toxic compounds called glycoalkaloids, which can disrupt the digestive system. Cooking potatoes effectively neutralizes these toxins, making them safe to eat. Rhubarb leaves. While the stalks of rhubarb are edible, the leaves contain oxalic acid, which is toxic. It's important to discard the leaves and cook the stalks to ensure safety. Lima beans. Raw lima beans contain a compound called linamarin, which can convert into cyanide. Cooking the beans eliminates this risk, rendering them safe for consumption. Red kidney beans. Consumption of raw red kidney beans can lead to severe gastrointestinal distress due to lectins. Proper cooking destroys these lectins, making the beans safe to eat. Wild mushrooms. Commercially available mushrooms are safe to eat raw, but wild mushrooms can be toxic and must be cooked before consumption for safety. Eggs. Raw eggs may contain salmonella bacteria, which can cause food poisoning. Cooking eggs thoroughly eliminates this risk and enhances digestibility. Chicken, pork and beef. Raw or undercooked poultry, pork and beef pose the risk of foodborne illnesses caused by bacteria such as Campylobacter, Clostridium perfringens and Salmonella. Cooking these meats thoroughly is essential for safety. Cassava. Raw cassava contains unsafe levels of cyanide, which are eliminated through cooking. Elderberries. While elderberries themselves are edible, they contain glycoside, which converts into cyanide. Boiling elderberries before consumption neutralizes this toxin. Eggplant. Similar to potatoes, eggplant contains solanine, a toxic compound. Cooking eggplant ensures the elimination of solanine, making it safe to eat. Pufferfish. Pufferfish contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that is not destroyed by cooking. Safe preparation involves careful removal of toxin-containing parts. Sprouts. Raw sprouts can harbor pathogenic bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, posing a risk of foodborne illness. Bitter almonds. Bitter almonds contain prussic acid, also known as cyanide, making them unsafe to consume raw. Milk. Raw milk may contain harmful germs, necessitating pasteurization for safety. Honey. Raw honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which produce toxins harmful to young children and pregnant women. Flour. Raw flour may contain bacteria such as E. coli and phytates that inhibit mineral absorption. Cooking eliminates these risks. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, asparagus, kale, cabbage, spinach. While these vegetables may be eaten raw, cooking enhances their digestibility and taste, and in some cases increases nutrient absorption. Olives. Although mostly consumed raw, olives require curing to reduce bitterness. Zucchini, tomatoes, pumpkin. Cooking enhances flavor and texture. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more health wisdom tips. Click the link below for my recommended diet ebook.